Bitcoin just took a nosedive, and the big question on everyone's mind is, why? Just a few days ago, the mood was electric, with everyone talking about new all-time highs. Now, Bitcoin has slipped below the crucial $67,000 mark, and the market sentiment has done a complete 180. It feels like we've gone from euphoria to fear almost overnight. So, what's really going on behind the scenes? Let's break it down. First up, a huge factor is the massive sell-off we're seeing from long-term holders. These are the folks who have been holding onto their Bitcoin for a while, and now they're cashing out. Data from CryptoQuant shows that these long-term investors have sold over 1 million Bitcoin in just the last 2 weeks. That's a staggering amount, worth about $67 billion. When these experienced players start selling in such large volumes, it creates immense pressure on the price and sends a ripple of uncertainty through the market. New investors see this and get spooked, leading to even more selling. Another major reason for this downturn is the changing narrative around Bitcoin. For years, we've heard that Bitcoin is digital gold, a safe haven, a reliable store of value that protects you from inflation and market turmoil. But lately, that confidence seems to be fading. Instead of acting like gold, Bitcoin has been behaving more like a high-risk tech stock. When the stock market, especially the Nasdaq, gets shaky, Bitcoin seems to follow suit. This strong correlation with tech stocks has many people questioning its role as a true store of value. If it drops whenever the stock market gets nervous, how is it different from any other speculative asset? This identity crisis is a big deal for Bitcoin's long-term appeal. And it's not just Bitcoin feeling the heat. The entire crypto market seems to be in a slump. We're seeing a lack of new capital flowing in, and trading volumes have been disappointingly low. The excitement around spot Bitcoin ETFs, which drove the price up earlier this year, has cooled off significantly. In fact, these ETFs have seen net outflows recently, meaning more money is leaving than coming in. This overall weakness across the board suggests a broader lack of confidence. Without fresh money and new narratives to drive excitement, the market is struggling to find its footing. It feels like the crypto space is waiting for its next big catalyst. But right now, it's just not there. So, where do we go from here? The short-term outlook is definitely uncertain. The $67,000 level was a key support line, and breaking below it is a bearish signal for many traders. Some analysts are now looking at $60,000 as the next major support level. If Bitcoin can't hold that line, we could see an even deeper correction. The market is caught between the selling pressure from long-term holders and a general lack of enthusiasm from new investors. It's a tough spot to be in. We'll be watching closely to see if any positive news, like potential approvals for Ethereum ETFs, can inject some much-needed optimism back into the market. For now, it's a time for caution. That's the rundown on the current state of Bitcoin in the crypto market. It's a complex situation with a lot of moving parts. What are your thoughts on this recent price drop? Do you think Bitcoin is still digital gold, or is it just another tech stock? Let me know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay informed and see you next time.